Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Saini Difanti, 36 years old, single with one kid, age 13. I am high school graduate.
Please describe yourself.
I am hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and responsible person.
If you will get hard, who will take care of your child?
My mother will gonna take care of my child.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 3 years from 2019 to 2022. I serve 7 family members, a couple of 5 kids aged 21, 18, 13, 9, and 5 years old. My main duties are cleaning, washing, ironing, and taking care of the children. I also work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years from 2023 to 2025. I serve 7 person, a couple with 5 kids, ages 14, 13, 9, 5, and 1 year old. My main duties are cleaning, washing, ironing, and taking care of the children. Thank you.